Have a go at this. Find the value of 3 to the power x plus y to the power x when x equals 2 and y equals 9. Have a go at this yourself and I'll show the solution on the next slide. We are given 3 to the power x plus y to the power x. We can write this down as 3 to the power 2 plus 9 to the power 2. Now this 3 has been written down to here, and in place of this x you can see we've put 2, because if you look down here you can see we're told that x is equal to 2. Now in the position of this y you can see we've wrote down 9, and that's because if you look here you can see y is equal to 9. In the position of this x you can see we've wrote down 2, and that's because, as we've already shown down here, x is equal to 2. Of course we know 3 squared is 9, and we add to that the square of 9, which is 81, and all of that will equal 90. To summarise that, 3 squared we know is 3 times 3, which is 9. And 9 squared is 9 times 9, which is 81. So when you add these up, 9 plus 81 will give you 90. So the value of this expression is 90 when the values of x and y are as shown here. X equals 2 and y equals 9.